Join us on our exciting road tour in 2024 as we visit the beautiful province of Isabela, the second largest province in the Philippines, and Luzon's rice and corn granary. We will explore the vibrant cities of Santiago, Isabela Province, Ilagan, Isabela Province, and Cauayan, Isabela Province, and discover the rich culture and history of the Isabelans. More importantly, we will share with you the amazing health benefits of our plant-based stem cell product, Mira Cell Plus, and our organic-based health products, such as Mira Curve, Mira Fill, Mira Tiara, Mira Coffee, Mira Lanang, and Mira Wedok. These products are designed to rejuvenate, repair, and revitalize your body from the inside out, using the power of natural ingredients and stem cell technology. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how you can improve your health and well-being with our innovative and effective products. Book your spot today and get ready for a life-changing experience.